2025 is not waiting for anyone. The people who will win this year aren't the ones scrolling through trends. They are the ones learning digital skills that actually pay. The good news, you can learn all these skills online for free, even from your phone. In today's video, I'll show you 9 easy digital skills that you can learn in 2025, starting from the simplest ones that you can pick up in a week, all the way to the most powerful and high-paying skills at the end. So make sure you watch this video up to the end, because the last one could literally change your income forever. Welcome to Kanage YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, you're missing out. Now, everyone's starting somewhere. Maybe you just want a side hustle, or maybe you are starting to build something big online. Either way, these skills can fit right into your life, no matter where you are. So let's start from the easiest one to learn, and by the time you reach the last one, you'll see exactly which skill can make you the most money in 2025. Number 1, Canva Design. This is basically graphic design made simple. It is ideal for people who love colors, visuals, and creating content for events, clubs, or organizations. It involves designing social media posts, posters, flyers, business cards, and logos using Canva drag and drop tools. It matters in 2025 because every business and event needs attention. Design is the first thing that people notice. It basically takes 2 to 3 weeks of daily practice to get designing professionally. It pays off by creating posters for small businesses, artists, or events, and charge from 500 Kenyan shillings to 2,000 Kenyan shillings per design. You can get clients by simply DMing local businesses owners on Instagram or Facebook, offering a free sample, because people hire from the results that they can be able to see. You can also ask around who needs a poster, design for them, get to know people, and let them know what you do. That is how you get clients. You basically need your phone or your laptop and creativity to get started with it. You can basically learn them on Canva Design School. The link is down below in the Canva Tutorials playlists. I'll drop the links down below if you are interested. Number 2, video editing. It is ideal for people who enjoy storytelling, music, and bringing ideas to life visually. It involves cutting, trimming, edit effects, subtitles, and music to create smooth and engaging videos. It matters in 2025 because we are in a video-fast world. Every brand, YouTuber, or business needs a video content daily. It takes 3 to 4 weeks to learn the basics of CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. It pays off because you can edit for creators, businesses, or YouTube channels and earn from 20,000 Kenyan shillings up to 300,000 Kenyan shillings per project. You can post short edits on TikTok and Instagram and tag creators, because clients will just find you and you are going to showcase what you can be able to do as far as video editing is concerned. You need a smartphone and a laptop and patience when it comes to learning this skill. You can learn them on Canva Tutorials. The link will be down below, and DaVinci Resolve training, I'll drop the link down below. Number 3, copywriting. It is ideal for people who enjoy reading, writing, or expressing ideas clearly. It involves writing words that sells, ads, captions, product descriptions, and scripts that convert. It matters in 2025 because businesses need persuasive words to attract and retain customers. It takes 4 to 6 weeks of learning and daily writing practice. It pays off because you can write for brands, influencers, and charge per caption, blog, or campaign. You can offer to rewrite 3 posts for a local business for free. If they like it, they'll hire you again. What you need is good communication, curiosity, and empathy. You can learn them on HubSpot copywriting course. The link is down below, and Copyblogger free resources. I'll drop the links in the description down below. Number 4, social media management. It is ideal for people who are active online and love trends planning and communication. It involves handling brand pages, scheduling posts, replying to comments, and studying analytics. It matters in 2025 because businesses are online, but most owners don't know how to grow. That is where you come in. If you learn this skill, you can be able to offer your services. It takes 3 to 4 weeks to understand content strategy and analytics. It pays off because you can manage social media pages for smaller brands and charge a monthly retainers from 10,000 Kenyan shillings to 100,000 Kenyan shillings. But it depends on who your client is and what you have agreed on. You can start managing a student's club or a small shop page to build results for your portfolio. You only need consistency, communication, and creativity. You can learn them on Meta Blueprint course and Google Digital Garage. I'll drop the links on the description down below. Number 5, digital marketing. It is ideal for curious people who want to know how ads work and how people make money online. It involves learning SEO. For those who don't know what SEO is, it means search engine optimization, Google Ads, email marketing, and online advertising strategies. It matters in 2025 because marketing is the bridge between a product and its customers, and every brand needs it. It basically takes 6 to 8 weeks to understand and start testing campaigns. This is how it pays off. You run ads for small businesses and become a digital strategist. You can earn from 10,000 Kenyan shillings to up to maybe 100,000 shillings per project, but it depends on the agreement that you have with a particular business. Try running a small test ad for a local brand and using the data as your case study. You only need an analytical mindset and curiosity. You can learn them on Google Digital Marketing course. The link is down below in the description. Number 6, AI tools and automation. It is ideal for people who love experimenting and saving time using technology. It involves using ChatGPT, Notion AI, or Canva Magic Write to speed up research and writing. This is why it matters in 2025. AI is not replacing you. It is replacing people who refuse to learn it. It basically takes 1 to 2 weeks of consistent use to get started with it. It pays off because you can offer automation services, caption scripts, or workflows, because businesses pay for time saved. And if you can be able to help businesses save time, why not them offer you that opportunity? You can offer to help brands automate captions or customer responses. You'll be surprised by how much they'll pay. You only need curiosity and a laptop or a smartphone to get started with it. You can learn it on OpenAI Learning Hub and Canva Magic Studio. Links are in the description down below. Number 7, website building without any code. It is ideal for people who enjoy technology and structure but not coding. It involves creating websites using tools like WordPress, Wix, or Framer. There is no coding that is needed. This is why it matters in 2025. Every brand, influencer, or school club needs a website to appear credible. It takes 3 to 4 weeks of consistent practice to get used to it and start offering the services, but as you continue, you're going to progress and learn more by designing. It pays off because you can design websites for businesses and charge from 20,000 Kenyan shillings plus per site. You can build one for free for a small business, then you can use it as your portfolio. All you need is creativity and attention to details to get started with it. You can learn them on WordPress Learn and Wix Education. I'll drop the links down in the description. Number 8, data analysis. But this is beginner level because there is advanced level. It is ideal for people who love numbers and logic and solving problems. It involves using Excel, Google Sheets, or Power BI to collect and interpret data. This is why it matters in 2025, because companies make better decisions through data, and analysts help them see the truth behind the numbers. It takes 6 to 10 weeks of guided learning and projects. This is how it pays off. You can start by analyzing survey data for student projects, then a freelance for small companies. You can offer free insights to a business, and once they see value, they pay for deeper reports. You only need a computer because you can't use your phone, unfortunately, patience and logical thinking. You can learn this skill on Google Data Analytics Certificate and Excel for beginners. I'll drop the links for learning in the description down below. Number 9, UI/UX designers. It is ideal for people with creativity, patience, and love for apps and websites. It involves designing user-friendly and visually appealing interfaces using Figma. It matters in 2025 because every app and website that you use, someone designed that experience. And if you want to be someone who is designing the experience, why not try out this skill? It basically takes 8 to 12 weeks to understand layouts, colors, and user flow to get started with it, and then you're going to progress from there. It pays off because you can offer freelance or work for startups. You can charge them from 10,000 Kenyan shillings to maybe 100K, but it depends on what you agree on. You can post your Figma project on Behance or Dribbble to attract recruiters. What you only need is a laptop and a design mindset. You can learn that skill on Figma Learn or Coursera UI/UX course. I'll drop the links for learning in the description down below. Thank you for watching this video this far. As you know, there is a bonus point for you. Number 10, personal branding. If you want to stand out online, you can try this. It involves building your identity, who you are, what you offer, and how you show it online. It matters because people don't buy skills, they buy trust. And if you can make people trust you, you should go for it. It takes 2 to 3 months to build a clear online presence, but it takes more time. This one takes time to grow. You can attract clients, brand deals, and job offers naturally. Post your learning journey and results. People hire those they see growing. What you only need is consistency and authenticity. You can learn them on YouTube by Ali Abdal Personal Branding and Justin Welsh Strategy. I'll drop the links down below. Here is the truth. These skills aren't just lessons. They are opportunities waiting for someone bold enough to use them. And if you've got the internet access and the will to learn, you already ahead of most people. Start with one skill, master it and apply it, then offer it to people who actually need it. But before you rush, research on your market. When you understand who you are serving, it becomes way easier to find clients, charge right, and grow faster. All the links to all the skills that I have mentioned are in the description below. You can pick a skill and start learning, and I'll see you in the digital world. That is all I had for you in this video. Thank you for watching till the end. You just proved that you are serious about your growth. I am Ken Kanage, and I'll see you on the next video.